Hello traders. In this video, we are going to be talking about the time cycle indicator for MT4. This tool appears as a dedicated cycle window under your chart, showing red and green bars plus a connecting line, so you can visually gauge bullish and bearish time cycles and potential turning points. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember to allow DLL imports. Alright, there we have it. On the chart, the time cycle indicator is plotted in a separate sub-window with a vertical scale ranging roughly from 1.2 to minus 1.2, as you can see. The upper section displays red bars and the lower section displays green bars, with a single line connecting the tops of all the bars so you can see the changing distance between peaks. When the red bars dominate above the zero midpoint, it implies a stronger bearish or downward cycle. When green bars dominate below zero, it implies a stronger bullish or upward cycle. The way the connecting line swings between the upper and lower sections visually highlights when cycles are expanding, contracting, or approaching a potential turning area around the zero line. As for the indicator settings, let's take a look at the inputs. Price action filter applies an internal filter so only more meaningful price movements contribute to the cycle calculation, reducing minor noise. Length controls how many bars are used in the cycle analysis, directly affecting how smooth or reactive the candles appear. Major cycle strength adjusts the emphasis on dominant larger cycles versus smaller minor fluctuations in the data. Use cycle filter toggles on or toggles an additional cycle filter on or off, allowing you to further clean the cycle signal if you prefer fewer but clearer swings. So who's this indicator for? And what are its limitations? The time cycle indicator is suited to traders who want a visual time-based perspective on bullish and bearish phases rather than relying on price levels alone. It is still a derived technical tool based on historical data, so cycles can shift, fail, or appear late, especially around news or regime changes, and should not be treated as a standalone predictor. Use it alongside trend analysis, support and resistance, and strict risk management helps turn its cycle swings into more reliable context for trade timing. The download link is in the description below. You can read the full time cycle indicator MT4 article, including configuration examples and usage ideas at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.